Hi everyone, I'm Pei. I'm in group 3 and my other team members are Tina, Carlos, Kazim, and Mana. Today I'm going to talk about the FedEx. First, I will talk about the executive summary. In terms of industry position, FedEx remains a global logistic leader, directly competing with UPS, Amazon, and DHL. However, over the past years, the company has faced several challenges: rising delivery cost, volatile demand, and increasing price competition. In response, FedEx has focused on Network 2.0 consolidation, deployed AI-powered route optimization, and invested in urban micro-fulfillment centers to enhance delivery efficiency. As a result, while the revenue declined, but the operational improvements drove operating margin up to 5.3%, and on-time delivery import improved to 95.2%. That said, last mile delivery still accounts for over 50 of the per package costs, representing the biggest profitable bottleneck. We recommend accelerating AI routing and urban micro fulfillment initiatives to reduce the last mile cost by 20 to 30%. Okay, next I will pass to Kazim.
Hi, I'm Azan Kazim. I'm going to be talking about the model of business operated by FedEx. One of them is targeted market suggestion segmentations. FedEx serves three main customer groups: e-commerce, business, and individuals. This allows them to customize services for different needs. The second one is integrated global logistic network. FedEx runs a worldwide logistics system that combines air, ground, and freight. This integration makes it possible to move packages of any size anywhere in the world. The third one is diverse revenue from services. FedEx doesn't rely on only shipping. They also move money from warehousing, storage, and subscription services, which helps diversify their income. The fourth one is operational excellence via technology. Technology is at the heat of FedEx operation. Their tracking, automation, and analytic makes delivery faster, more accurate, and more efficient. The fifth one is value through speed and reliability. Above all, FedEx delivers value by being fast and reliable. This suppress the global supply chain and ensures that both business and individual get what they need on time. Moving on, I'm going to be talking about the operation management strategy. The first one is up and spoke boost delivery speed. This reduced these packages go through central hub before reaching their final destination. This reduces transit time and make their deliveries more reliable. The second one is AI routing costs in their delivery. Artificial intelligence helps FedEx plan smarter routes. This saves fuel, reduces cost, and improve on delivery performance. The third one is Six Sigma enhances services quality. FedEx applies Six Sigma method to minimize errors in operations, which directly increase accuracy and customer satisfaction. The fourth one is sustainability drives brand competitiveness. This is like if it is a commitment to becoming a carbon neutral by 2040. And the last one is resilient supply ensures continuity. By building a strong adaptive supply chain, FedEx can continue operating smoothly even during disruptions like natural disasters in a global crisis. Now I'll move on to pay to talk about the next step.
Hi everyone, I'm gonna talk about SWOT analysis. The first is the strengths, including the global logistic network, advanced tracking and automation technologies, and a strong brand reputation. Second is weaknesses, are mainly inefficiencies in last mile delivery, high operation and fuel costs, and increasing labor expenses. The third is opportunities come from adopting AI-powered route optimization, expanding sustainable delivery options like e-bikes and lockers, and using alternative transportation methods. Finally, threats involve intense competition from Amazon and UPS, full price volatility, and regulatory pressures. From this analysis, it's clear the last mile delivery inefficiency is the most significant internal challenge affecting both cost and customer satisfaction. To understand this problem, we use a fishbone diagram to identify its root cause. We found five main categories contributing to last mile inefficiencies. First, transportation, urban congestion and high fuel usage. Second, technology, the lack of fully optimized route planning systems. Third, human resources, gaps in driver training and performance consistency. Fourth, processes, inefficient coordination and scheduling. And finally, external factors, such as traffic, restriction, and customers not being available to receive deliveries. Addressing this cause will help FedEx improve efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver a better customer experience. That covered the analysis of FedEx weaknesses and root causes. Now we move to the next classmate to talk more about that.
Okay, now let's talk about the financial analysis. Revenue decreased to 90.2 billion, driven primarily by softer demand in express service. Net income increased to 4.5 billion, reflecting effective cost reduction and efficiency gains. For the operating margin, it rose by 1.1 to 5.3%, making one of the most significant improvements in the past 5 years. Capital expenditure fell to 6 billion, signaling a more focused investment strategy. ROIC improved to 9.3%, indicating better asset utilization. Next, we will talk about the operation part. Last mile delivery cost remain up at about 50%, about a half of per package cost, and the last mile cost revenue have fallen from 7.5 to 6.5%, showing the early impact of automation. On-time delivery rate improved to 95.2%, directly linked to AI-based route optimization. FedEx has set a 4 billion cost-saving target by financial year 2025, mainly from network integration and automation. In summary, the key priority moving forward is to further reduce last mile costs and capture new demand from e-commerce growth. Next, I will pass to my partner.
Hi, I'm gonna talk about impact of operation weakness, which is about inefficiency in last mile delivery. The issue of operation weakness is FedEx face challenging in last mile delivery, especially in urban areas. The problem is traffic congestion, failed delivery attempt, high fuel consumption, and poor route optimization, which have impact with increased delivery costs and delivery delay, and also lower customer satisfaction. And in part of opportunity for improvement, and it is about improved FedEx last mile delivery using technology and partnership. Key strategy is about advanced route optimization software, real-time data analysis, collaboration with local delivery partners, and alternative transport methods like electric bikes, which have benefit the first one, lower delivery costs, better on-time delivery rates, and reduce carbon emission.
We recommend that implement of AI-powered route optimization software, which increase the effectiveness of delivery, and deploy micro-fulfillment center in urban areas, which lower the cost of delivery time. We partner with local courier and gig economic platform to reduce the costs, and other than that efficiency, we improve the efficiency of delivery. Expand use of sustainable modes like e-bikes, drones, logs. It will reduce pollution and expedite delivery. Other than that, we are gonna do our implementation plan is in the phase 1. In the month of first to third month, we are select pilot cities. In that, we are establish a pilot KPI. We are our responsibility party is a department of technology. We are verification their ideas. Second phrase is infrastructure setup. In the month of 4 to 7, establish MFC in pilot cities. In the third phase, we are gonna do technology rollout. In the month of 8 to 12, optimize pilot and surrounding areas. In the phase 4, we are doing nationwide expansion. Month of 13 to 18th, add more region with scalar loggers. In the phase 5, we are review and optimization. Month of 14 to 24 to gather performance data. This is our references which we use for our project. Thank you and have a great day.